Ever dreamt of owning a classic car without draining your wallet? Salvage auctions might be your golden ticket. But how do you identify the true treasures among the rest? Let's dive in. Set a realistic budget. Beyond the hammer price, factor in restoration, transportation, and auction fees to avoid surprises. Do your homework. Research the car's history, production numbers, and recent selling prices. Knowledge is power when bidding. Inspect thoroughly. Examine the frame, engine, and interior. Structural integrity is crucial. Some wear is expected, but ensure the foundation is solid. Understand restoration costs. Factor in the time and money required to restore. Sometimes, a higher initial investment saves in the long run. With the right approach and keen eye, salvage auctions can be a goldmine for classic car enthusiasts. And that's it. For more exclusive tips, follow us on social media or visit our website today.